it's Elisa from Photobox Designs here to show you a quick tutorial on how to use this Canva template. The link will be below in the comments, so if you're interested, you can find it at my Etsy store, Photobox Designs. All right, it's a very simple template to use. It's a drag and drop template. There's no grid. What I provided for you is this is perfect for the cardboard box images, especially if it's a square image. I would not try to put a rectangular image into this template, which was made for squares. So you'll see that there is a little instructions on the top, and on the bottom I give you some best possible ways to ensure if you're going to print it so that you have the highest resolution of printing. Let me just show you very quickly how this works. It's very simple. So you take a photo that you have already uploaded to your Canva, and I'm going to pull one from the left side here. It's in upload. So when you're looking at your left panel, it would be in your uploads. Find the photo you want. I'm just dragging it and I'm pulling it. I'm not letting go. I'm still holding on to the mouse, and I'm putting it into the box that I'm interested in putting it into. So I'll put into this one, I'll let go. And now this is very important. I'm going to double click on this image to open up the cropping tool. And that way, you'll see I'm going to pull it out a little further. I can then pull the edges and I can crop it so that it's in the box the way I want it to be. You can also crop your images in your phone or your camera beforehand, so it works either way. Press done, and you can see now if you're not 100% loving what you've done, you can double click again and you can keep cropping. You can also turn it a little bit if you need to. It's whatever works best for you. And that looks good to me. If you do not double click in and you just pull the image, what that does is that actually enlarges the box. You may want to play around with that. That's kind of cool actually, but that's not how you would crop the image itself. And that's pretty much it. That is the entire tutorial on how to use it. It's very simple. You just go through the whole template, drop, crop. That's it. All right, so the link is below, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks.